Most people are still sleeping on what AI can actually do for their income right now. Not in theory right now, in 2026. I've gone through dozens of ideas, tested what works, and cut everything that's either too saturated, too technical, or just not worth your time. What's left are 5 AI side hustles that are realistic, scalable, and genuinely profitable, and we're counting down from 5 to 1, saving the best for last. Hustle number 5: AI-powered faceless YouTube channels. Faceless YouTube channels have existed for years, but AI has completely changed the game. You no longer need a camera, a studio, or even your own voice. Tools like ChatGPT handle the scripting. 11 Labs or Murph generates a professional voiceover. And platforms like Pictory or InVideo turn it all into a finished video with stock footage, captions, and background music included. Channels in niches like personal finance, health tips, history, true crime, and self-improvement are pulling in thousands of views with zero human on camera. The real money comes once you hit YouTube monetization thresholds. But smart creators stack that with affiliate links in the description, sponsored segments, and even digital product promos. The workflow is almost entirely automated once you set it up. You pick a niche, build a content calendar with AI, batch produce 5 to 10 videos at a time, schedule them, and let the algorithm do the rest. The barrier to entry is low, but the creators winning here are the ones who pick a tight niche, stay consistent, and actually study what makes their audience click. If you treat it like a media business instead of a hobby, the passive income potential is very real, and it compounds over time as your library grows. Hustle number 4: AI content writing and ghostwriting services. Businesses are desperate for content: blog posts, newsletters, LinkedIn articles, product descriptions, email sequences, and most of them don't have the time or the team to produce it consistently. That's where you come in. With AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, or Jasper, you can produce high-quality, well-researched content at a pace that would have been impossible a few years ago. But here is the thing most people miss. The money is not in mass-producing generic AI slop. The money is in using AI as a force multiplier for your own thinking, research, and editing skills. Clients are not paying you just for words, they are paying for strategy, brand voice, consistency, and results. If you can take AI output and shape it into something that actually sounds human, builds authority, and drives traffic or conversions, you are worth real money. Ghostwriting for executives and founders on LinkedIn is one of the highest paying sub-niches right now. A single client paying you to manage their LinkedIn presence can bring in anywhere from $500 to $2,000 a month. Add 3 or 4 clients and you have a full-time income. The key is niching down, pick an industry you understand. Build a portfolio even if you have to do a few free pieces first. And then pitch directly to business owners and personal brands who are active online but inconsistent with their content. Hustle number 3: selling AI-generated digital products. This one has some of the best margins of anything on this list because once you create the product, it costs you nothing to sell it again and again. We are talking about things like prompt packs, AI art bundles, Notion templates, ebooks, printables, planners, checklists, and mini courses, all created with AI assistance and sold on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or your own website. Prompt engineering in particular is a goldmine right now. Businesses and creators are willing to pay for curated, tested prompt packs that save them hours of trial and error. A well-packaged prompt bundle for a specific use case like social media marketing, business email writing, or real estate copywriting can sell for $15 to $50, and with the right marketing, you can move hundreds of units. AI-generated art and design assets are also massive on Etsy and Creative Market. Patterns, digital wall art, Canva templates, social media graphics, all of it can be produced with Midjourney or Adobe Firefly and listed for sale. The creators making serious money here are not just uploading random products, they are doing keyword research, optimizing their listings like an e-commerce pro, and building a catalog over time. Treat it like a store, not a one-time drop, and the compounding effect kicks in fast. Hustle number 2: AI automation services for small businesses. Small business owners are overwhelmed. They are juggling customer service, appointment booking, follow-up emails, social media, invoicing, and 100 other things, and most of them have no idea that AI can automate a huge chunk of that work for them. That is your opportunity. Using no-code and low-code tools like Zapier, Make Tremendously Mat, and platforms with built-in AI like Go High Level or VoiceFlow, you can build automated systems that save business owners hours every single week. Think AI chatbots for customer service, automated lead follow-up sequences, AI-powered appointment reminder systems, or smart email workflows that trigger based on customer behavior. You do not need to be a developer to do this. These tools are built for people who can think logically about workflows and learn fast. The business model is straightforward. Charge a setup fee to build the system, then a monthly retainer to maintain and optimize it. Even a modest setup fee of $500 to $1,500 per client, combined with a $200 to $500 monthly retainer, adds up quickly. And because you are solving a real, painful problem, wasted time, and missed revenue, client retention is high. The best niches for this hustle right now are service businesses, dental offices, real estate agencies, gyms, salons, law firms, and restaurants. Walk in with a clear demo, show them how much time they will save, and the close practically writes itself. Hustle number 1, building and selling AI-powered micro SaaS tools. This is the big one, and yes, it is more challenging than the others. But the upside is in a completely different league. A micro SaaS is a small, focused software tool that solves one specific problem for a specific type of user and charges a monthly subscription fee to access it. In 2026, building these tools no longer requires you to be a senior developer. With AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Claude, people with basic coding knowledge or even no coding background at all using no-code builders like Bubble or Glide are shipping real working products. The formula is simple in concept. Find a painful, niche problem, build a simple AI-powered tool that solves it, and charge a recurring fee. Examples include an AI tool that auto-generates real estate listing descriptions, a micro SaaS that turns raw meeting notes into structured action items, a tool that creates SEO-optimized product descriptions for e-commerce stores, or a niche AI writing assistant built specifically for a profession like lawyers or therapists. Even at 100 users paying $30 a month, you are looking at $3,000 in monthly recurring revenue, and micro SaaS businesses with proven traction sell for 3 to 5 times their annual revenue on platforms like acquire.com. The path forward is to start by solving your own problem, or a problem you deeply understand. Keep the MVP as simple as possible and get your first 10 paying customers before you build anything else. Revenue validates everything. There you have it, 5 AI side hustles that are actually worth your time in 2026. From Faceless YouTube channels and content writing services, all the way up to selling digital products, automating small businesses, and building your own micro SaaS. The common thread across all of them is this: AI is the tool, but your thinking, your positioning, and your execution are what make the difference. The people losing right now are the ones waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect idea. The people winning are the ones who pick something, start before they feel ready, and learn by doing. If you found this useful, subscribe, because we go deep on making money with AI every single week. No fluff, no theory, just what actually works. See you in the next one.